That's solid, man. That's good shit.
Beautiful.
Oh my God.
That was beautiful.
That hypes it right up, Phil. That hypes it right up, a segment like that. Thank you, guys, man. I love to do a good hype train segment. It's a lot of fun. We get to do the fireworks, the explosions, going into space, listen to some songs, yell about shit. I mean,
I love a good hype train.
That covers the fucking bases. You know what I mean? Oh, I think I did miss one, though. Negative Rush for 50 bits during the end of that. Thank you, Negative Rush. Appreciate it. What do you expect, Phil? We get excited when things like that happens. I mean, we're just, neither one of us is people. I'm a ghost and you're a fish, but most people are just people. They're just smart monkeys, Phil. You never can tell what's going to happen when you try to smarten up a bunch of fucking monkeys. Human genes are inserted into monkey brains, causing them to expand in unnerving Planet of the Apes style experiment. Yeah, that's literally Planet of the Apes. That's literally Planet of the Apes, friends.
There have been numerous movies that have told us this is a bad idea.
Yeah, that Matthew Broderick one, not the least of which being, shit.
Right?
God damn. So they decided, we're just going to start shooting up monkey brains with people juice and see what the fuck happens.
What are they injecting into these monkey brains?
I'm not sure. Something gross.
Kind of don't want to know now.
Gross. But what's weird is it seems to be working a little bit. The brains are expanding when they put them in there. It's not good, dude.
I'm injecting my DNA in there, man.
Yeah, neuroscientists splice human genes into monkey brains to improve IQ in odd experiment. Yeah, odd to say the fucking least, man. I don't know about this, dude. I don't know.
I just like how monkey brains is in all caps.
That's right, just in case you didn't notice how fucking... Funk Doc says human stem cells. It might be, yeah, that's definitely possible. But this seems like there's a number of things that could go wrong trying to do something like this. I mean, let's remember, we're not dealing with people, we're dealing with lower primates, dude. These are still, for the most part, animals. They may seem cutesy and have thumbs and kind of understand sign language and shit, but at the end of the day, they are not humans. We have to remember that, man.
That's right.
Adult monkeys are seen feasting on a 10-day-old infant from their group in rare example of cannibalism among primates.
Jesus, the crime wave even extends into their own...
I'm only gonna...
Whoa.
Yep, I'm gonna put it on there for a second. Yeah, I'm gonna take that off the screen just so you see what I'm talking about. But guys, I'm just saying, remember, this is... I'm all about playing God and fucking with... I'm fine with most of that, but there is still a line... And I think this is that line where we are thinking we can control something we can't control. And animal instinct is a strong motherfucker, as you just saw in that little photo right there. You know what I mean?
And they were capuchins. Capuchins have the cutest name of all monkeys.
And they're the little guys that sit on the shoulder. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Little tiny monkeys, man.
Little capuchins.
That's right. You try to smarten them up, and who knows what the fuck they're going to eat next. Just, man, you got to be real careful with that stuff. God damn.
If you'll eat your own kind, you'll pretty much eat anything. Yeah. So
isn't science crazy? You know, what can I say?
Yeah, science is weird, man.
A lot of scientific fields have started to converge with philosophical fields in our time, which I think is super interesting. That's a discussion for another day, but we do all kinds of weird stuff every week now. Scientists create diamonds in minutes for the first time in a lab without heat. They just they found a way to press some carbon so goddamn hard that it turns into a diamond. Now they can just make them.
Holy shit!
Yeah, guess whose industry is about to be fucking bankrupt, De Beers. Sorry.
Yeah,
holy
you're
shit,
fucked. Diamond's about to be cheap as shit.
It's true, man. Science gets crazier every day, dude. Crazier every day. Look at this, Linda. Physicists build an anti-laser to charge your phone from across the room. Okay.
Anti-lasers, anti-Linda.
Anti-Linda. Now, by the way, Carl Magician says they Supermaned it. Yeah, actually, in the article, there was a picture of Christopher Reeves as Superman from that scene from that movie. Basically, that's what they did.
Crushing it.
Colt Girl says, does this mean no more food from the Temple of Doom? Yikes. San Miguel says, anyone listen to Jeff Goldblum? They don't. That's how you get in these situations. And Alma says, don't forget the Nazi monkey from Temple of Doom. I still eat some monkey brains. As long, I don't know, dude. Maybe that's how they turn cannibal. They're crazy. But
I don't know. They did look kind of good. They look like Jello. So.
They're a little Jello-ish. He did say they were chilled. You know, maybe they're better than they seem. I don't fucking know. But this anti-laser, basically what it says in the article, is that this anti-laser actually is an appropriate name, where a laser, you know what, let's just read it. Here we go. Just like a laser emits light particles, or photons, right, one after another in a row, that's all a laser is. An anti-laser sucks up photons one after another in reverse order. So it's like a laser vacuum, and so they make this thing that's like a hub you put in your room, and I guess the anti-laser would go on your phone, right? And then you have a laser emitter that emits in every direction at once. And it says even with bounce and obstruction, you're supposed to still be able to get 99% of sent power. So this is just putting power in the air. But instead of the emitter being so strong, it's focused on your device having something that sucks it up basically out of the air.
Messing around with the photons in the room. What could go wrong?
I mean, that is a lot of shit to shoot through human bodies. I'll be fine. I'm a ghost. But outside of that, I don't know. I will say this. It's very fucking cool. It's very
sounds pretty cool.
I can't comment on the potential safety or lack of safety on an item like that, but I do know it's very fucking cool, man. That's all I'm saying.
That is pretty cool. And you know, going back to eating monkey brains, if we could for just a minute.
Sure, yeah, of course.
You know, why do we look down on eating monkey brains so much? We literally eat cow ass. You know?
It's true. I mean, that's accurate, but those are cows. Those aren't primates. I think we draw the line at monkeys because they're too close to being like us.
Too humanoid?
Yeah,
I'm not a criminal. I'm an artist working in an unpopular medium. Can I just speak to you? I mean, really speak to you like man to man. I've known you for a long time, William. And I know about your penchant for spying on women.